So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Woodhill settings to check this foreclosed house and lot. Ayan po siya. So, bago natin siya pasukin, please subscribe to my YouTube channel under Foreclosed Hub and follow, like, and share my other socials in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok under Foreclosed Hub. Let's go. Check natin siya. So, as you can see, medyo makalat at madumi lang siya. Pero, it looks good as brand new. Mukha siyang hindi natirhan. Mataas lang ang mga talahib dito. Sabi ng kapitbahay, nakatira dyan, once a year lang daw sila nag-grass cut. Huling grass cut daw nito last year pa. Pero naka-schedule na for this year. So, wala siyang masyadong sira. Makalat lang, madumi. Ayan, ito yung CR niya. May shower head pa. Ayan. Ako mukhang binabahayan na ng anay. Pero bato naman to eh. Ito lang ang kahoy oh. Ayan. So, okay tayo sa taas. This is 130 square meters lot area. And ang floor area niya is 50 square meters. 2 bedrooms dito sa taas. Ito. So, ito yung isang kwarto. Mukhang hindi natirhan kasi walang mga nakadikit na parang sabitan. Tsaka maayos pa siya, pati pintura niya. Oh. Livable yung condition niya. Walang sira. Ready to move in na dito. Ito yung isang kwarto. Ayan. View niya. So this is at 7 million and the mode of payment here is cash or at least 10% spot down payment, then 90% balance through bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. And submission of offer is first come first serve basis po tayo, and as is where is din po ang turnover ng property. So kung anong makikita ninyo at madadatnan ninyo upon viewing, ganyan po siya i-turnover ng bangko or ng seller. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message me directly. Again, this is Avida Woodhill settings here in New Valley, Calamba, Laguna. Malapit po siya sa Miriam School at sa may New Valley driving range. And this is below market value because yung mga ganitong bahay, if you search online sa mga reseller or even sa developer kung may available sila, nasa 12 million and up na po ang mga bahay dito. So this is a still sale at 7 million. And wala po kayong ipapaayos. Linis lang siguro. And kung meron mang ipapaayos, siguro minor repairs lang. So might as well upon viewing, bring your architect or your engineer para ma-estimate kung meron mang kailangan ayusin. Because ako, estimate ko dito, siguro abutin lang kayo dito more or less 300,000 just to make it more livable. But might as well consult the expert, architect or engineer. Okay? So again, if interesado kayo magpa-schedule ng viewing, i-message nyo lang po ako directly.